So for today, I'm going to teach you how to find your OKX referral code. So first, you need to open your OKX application on your device and simply log in for you to able to access your account and for you to able to find your referral code on your OKX, just simply navigate to your main dashboard and as you can see, the gift icon located on the top right corner of your screen is that where you find your referral code. So just simply tap in and after that you need to click the link button below, or if you want to send it on your WhatsApp, Telegram, or even on Messenger, you can just simply use it. But if you wanted to copy the referral code link of yours, you can also click the link icon and just simply click the copy button right here and you can now send it to your friends. And that's how you find your OKX referral code. If you find this video super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.